I have been interested in the mysteries of the human mind and the intricacies of the human body as far back as I can remember. From a young age, I was curious about how the brain worked, how it processed information, and how it was connected to the body. As I grew older, my interest in the metaphysical aspects of these questions began to deepen. I began to read about the connections between the mind and the body, and how spiritual practices could help individuals tap into their true potential. I soon became obsessed with this field of study and began to actively research the latest findings in neuroscience, psychology, and spirituality. This led me into the field of hypnotherapy and NLP, or neuro-linguistic programming. As I delved deeper, I began to notice a transformation in my own life. I became more grounded, more centered, and more at peace with myself. I began to share this knowledge with others and started to work as a hypnotherapist and a coach. Now, years later, I'm still digging deeper into the connections between the mind, the brain, and the body. The human mind is a powerful tool that has the ability to transform the brain and body. Many scientists and spiritual leaders have explored the connection between the mind, brain, and body and have found evidence of the mind's transformative power. Dr. Joe Dispenza and Deepak Chopra are two prominent figures who have extensively researched and written about this topic. Dr. Joe Dispenza is a neuroscientist, author, and speaker who has studied the effects of meditation and visualization on the brain and body. He believes that the mind has the power to heal and transform the body through positive thoughts and emotions. He writes, "When we change our thoughts, we change our beliefs, and we change our behavior, which can change the outcome of our lives." Dispenza's research has shown that people who practice meditation and visualization can rewire their brains and create new neural pathways, leading to positive changes in their lives. In his book titled Evolve Your Brain, The Science of Changing Your Mind, Dispenza writes a fascinating and thought-provoking book that explores the relationship between the brain, the mind, and the body. Dr. Dispenza draws on his background in neuroscience and his own personal experiences to provide a compelling argument for the power of the mind to transform the brain and the body. The book is divided into two parts. The first part provides a detailed explanation of the brain and how it works, including discussions of neuroplasticity, brainwaves, and the role of stress in shaping our thoughts and behaviors. Dr. Dispenza presents scientific research to support his claims and provides numerous examples and anecdotes to illustrate his points. In the second part of the book, Dr. Dispenza presents practical techniques for harnessing the power of the mind to create positive changes in our lives. He offers a step-by-step guide to meditation and visualization exercises designed to rewire the brain and promote healing and personal growth. One of the strengths of the book is the way that Dr. Dispenza connects scientific research with practical tools and techniques. He presents complex scientific concepts in a clear and accessible way, and he offers concrete examples of how these concepts can be applied in our daily lives. Deepak Chopra, a physician and author, also believes in the power of the mind to transform the body. He writes, "The mind and body are not separate units, but one integrated system." Chopra's research has shown that people who practice meditation and other mind-body techniques can reduce stress and improve their overall health. He also emphasizes the importance of positive thinking and the role it plays in transforming the body. Both Dispenza and Chopra believe that the mind has the power to transform the body, and that positive thinking and visualization are essential tools for creating change. Dispenza writes, "The biggest challenge in life is to be able to master our thoughts and emotions." Chopra adds, "Every thought has a physiological response." Research has also supported the idea that the mind can transform the body. Studies have shown that meditation and visualization can lead to changes in brain structure and function, as well as changes in the body's immune response and stress levels. The power of the mind to transform the brain and body is a fascinating and promising area of research, Dr. Joe Dispenza and Deepak Chopra are two prominent figures who have extensively explored this topic and have found evidence of the mind's transformative power. By practicing meditation, visualization, and positive thinking, we can create positive changes in our lives and transform our brains and bodies. As Chopra says, the body is a reflection of our consciousness. Thanks for listening. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. I would be immensely grateful.